How to sign up or apply for Scotia Online banking service. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's tutorial video, I will show you the way on how you could very easily sign up or apply for the online banking service of Scotiabank. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, in order to sign up or activate the online banking service, you first need to be an account holder yourself. If you don't have an account on the Scotiabank, you will not be able to sign up or to apply or enroll for online banking. So make sure you have an account first. Once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Scotiabank app. So make sure you've also downloaded this app from your app store. Once you download the Scotiabank app, as you can see in this case, we'll be taken to the login screen. Now, by the way, if you already do have signed up for it before, you could simply enter your username or your card number and so on in order to log into your online banking service. Well, if you are new and if you want to enroll it, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can find this option which says new to online banking, activate now. So all you have to do is tap on the activate now button. As you tap on the activate now button, you'll be taken to the activation of the online banking page. Right away, you can see it says let's set up your username or password. The very first thing you want to do is simply select your account type, whether you have a debit card account or investment or line of credit or mortgage, loan, Scotia Online for students and so on. Simply select the account type which you have, and then after that you want to simply enter your card number. So go ahead and enter your debit card or credit card, or it's basically your ATM number or something like that. Once you've entered your card number, what you could do is tap on the continue button which you see, and it may ask you to verify using your some other details such as your SSID and so on. So once you've entered all of those details and then verified with a few more steps, you'll be successfully able to activate your online banking for Scotiabank. And this was the way on how you could very easily set up or activate the online banking for Scotiabank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.